Welcome to the Kimpton Hotel Arras in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina. Today I'm giving a tour of the One King Studio Suite with a mountain view, a perfect blend of modern luxury and mountain charm. As you step inside, the suite immediately feels bright and inviting, with a clean, modern design. There's a spacious entryway with plenty of room to drop your bags and settle in. The studio layout feels open yet cozy. There's a comfortable seating area with a sleek sofa and a small table, great for lounging or getting a little work done. The king bed is the centerpiece, plush with crisp white linens and a beautiful upholstered headboard that ties in the warm, neutral tones of the room. On the opposite side of the wall, there's a large TV mounted above a modern console and plenty of built-in USB ports and outlets, super convenient for charging all of your devices. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more room tour videos just like this one. And check out this view. Floor-to-ceiling windows showcase an incredible view of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Whether it's sunrise or sunset, the light here makes the whole room feel extra special. Moving into the bathroom, it's spacious and beautifully finished. You'll find a large walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, gorgeous tile work, and upscale bath products. There's a wide vanity with great lighting, making it easy to get ready for a day of exploring Asheville. Overall, the One King Studio Suite Mountain View at the Kimpton Hotel Arras offers a perfect mix of comfort, style, and a little bit of that Asheville spirit. Thanks for watching this room tour. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other hotel tours. See you next time.